This living room for me is definitely my favourite part of the flat. I remember coming for the first viewing and it just making that impact straight away. You know, it has those traditional features like the fireplace and the high ceilings. It just had such great bones to it, which made styling it then actually quite easy. I think it's really important to decorate and style your home, even if it is a rental, because I think your home is an extension of who you are. It's your little piece of the world that you can do whatever you want to with. It's also somewhere where, you know, you gather with your friends and family, somewhere where you can create memories. And I think with that in mind, it's so important to then create a beautiful backdrop to set those special moments to. And you don't have to wait until the time that you can buy your own house. In the meantime, you just have to treat your rented home just as your home. I think, you know, obviously it's more difficult to inject your personality into a rental place. You can't do the obvious things like paint walls or wallpaper. You kind of have to work with what you've got. I tend to like to bring in lots of textures and textiles and colour more with art. And I mean, a big thing for me is always to bring in greenery and plants and flowers, and just bringing that life into your home, I think really livens things up and adds that needed pop of colour.